Okay, here we are. Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, October 2nd, 2024. Eric Adams will be appearing this morning in court on his indictment for Turkish bribery, among other charges. Now, he's already been released on bond, but no bond, actually, and allowed to keep his passport. But since then, Alex Spiro, his lawyer, and his other lawyers at Quinn Emanuel have filed a series of filings. They're seeking to dismiss count 5, citing McDonnell and to some degree the Snyder decision of the Supreme Court. And they're seeking an evidentiary hearing about what they say is leaking by the prosecutors across the street here in the U.S. Attorney's Office. So expect Judge Ho to set a briefing schedule on both of those, and maybe to tip his hand a little bit what he thinks of them. We're going to be live tweeting it, Inner City Press. Don't worry about that. Yesterday we live tweeted actually a possible or rumored wannabe stand-in for Eric Adams. Andrew Cuomo still has a number of cases, but one of the cases here in the Southern District is Charlotte Bennett versus Andrew Cuomo. It's a sexual harassment case with a number of interveners and co-defendants, and there's a huge discovery fight. But it all has to end soon, and the judge was saying, get it together. By the end of October, videos must be produced, etc. So you can find that article and thread from yesterday. We're covering it all. And of course, on the Trump front, as predicted yesterday, Trump in the District of Columbia asked to have Jack Smith, the special counsel's brief, further redacted and delayed, and also, made the argument that it's getting a little close to the election to have a prosecutor trying to so vociferously to unseal. But then again, it's been a long time. It's been 4 years? So we'll see. We're covering that closely. We also covered the United Nations. We covered it yesterday. Although we're now down here covering this pretty strenuously. We used to cover the UN as closely until corrupt Secretary General Antonio Guterres said, no more, no live coverage, no uncovering of anything, get out. So yesterday we asked the Swiss, who are the President of the Security Council for the month of October. We asked the Swiss to ask them questions, since they supposedly are neutral, but also they really shouldn't just follow Antonio Guterres like lemmings off the cliff. Well, they're a bunch of censors as well. We put up the video. We're going to be covering that this month, particularly with Iran missiles flying. But for now, we're heading in because Eric Adams, 10:30, watch this space. Inner City Press, to be continued.